Okay, that was the only one. So we did that. And now let's move on to the one-to-many, so one-to-n or n-to-one relationships, which are between student and module. And they work the same way. So the rule would be, okay, if you have here we have an n-to-m, we need to tackle this one, module, lecturer. So one lecturer has more than one module, but one module only has one lecturer. So how would you model that? Actually, in Airtable, it's the same as for the one-to-one, but we allow multiple records on one side. So here, the rule would be you need to, so if you have module and lecturer, we need to add a field to module referencing the lecturer that holds the module. So this way we can have more than one module with the same lecturer, but we can only have but we can only have one lecturer per module. So we add it to the one where the n is. I'll just write that down for 1-to-n or n-to-1 at foreign key to table with the n. So what we do is we go to, in this case, to the either to the module or the lecturer, it doesn't really matter, and we add a new field for the module. We say, okay, who is the lecturer? And specify that we again want to link to another record. Tell Airtable that it's the lecturer table. And in this case, we only want to allow one record because it only has one lecturer. And a lecturer now automatically has the module field, which we can configure, or is configured, I think, as you found out, allowing to link multiple records. So now we could say, okay, a lecturer has more than one module. If we had more than one module, we could select more than one module here. And on the other hand, in a module, we can only, if there's already a lecturer assigned, we cannot assign another one. Maybe we add another example. Doesn't matter, just choose a different one. And here we can only add one lecturer and then no one else. But in lecture, you can now see that I have two modules assigned.